Hello, grade 5. Today we're going to talk about the two activities that I put on ESL library. The first one is about the simple future, and the second one is about phonics. So, how you can pronounce the TH. All right, so for the simple future, if you click on the simple future, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 questions. So it should take around 15 minutes to do this first one. So if you click on start, let's look at verbs A. The only thing you have to do is to match with the right word. So for example, will drink is the simple future. Will eat will be which one, and will sleep. This will be, and you're done with the first one. That means if you go back to the assignments, you can continue with the other verbs. It shouldn't take that long. It's maximum 15 minutes of your time. Last but not least, remember, if you are done, okay, it's normal that you don't see your score or your time because you need to refresh the page. So if I click on this, look what's gonna happen. You're gonna have your score and your time. So those who ask the question, Mr. Daniel, I don't see my time and my score. Please refresh your page and you should have your score. For the second assignment, if I go back to my dashboard, you will have a second one about the TH. So the TH is for you to pronounce correctly the TH. So if I start my activity, it will tell you, can you make the voice TH sound? It tells you exactly how to pronounce the TH. I know exactly that is not very easy to pronounce the TH, especially for those who speak French. So instead of saying the car, you should say the car. So make sure that you practice at home. When you're done, I'm looking at every single thing and I'm looking if you're done your assignments. So please complete them and make sure that you understand all these assignments because me and Miss Jessica, we take some time to prepare them. So make sure that you try your best. Okay, when you're done, those are the two ESL library activities that you will do for this week. It should take around 30 minutes.